Hello all, we are group 5 from the IST722 data warehouse class and we'll be going through the iSchool waitlist project for data warehouse. The team members involved in this project are Celeste Sin, Hemant Javle and Karthik Venkateshwar. So let me tell you something about the waitlist process. So at the beginning of every academic term, students from high school basically enroll into the various classes, and while doing so they also put themselves in a waitlist system. So that waitlist system is basically used when say there's a class which is full, but after some times the faculty or the professor sees that there are students dropping out of the class and they have a vacancy in the class. So to fill that vacancy they use the waitlist system, and whichever student who is at the top of the waitlist system gets that preference for that class. So currently this waitlist system has been stored in a relational database system. We'll be analyzing that system in this project. We'll also be creating a high level dimensional modeling analysis using bus matrix and attributes and matrix list. We'll also cover and be doing the detailed dimension modeling using a detailed bus matrix and a fact derived fact worksheet. We have created a logical star and snowflake diagram that will show you, uh, and we have created an ETL process through SSIS. So basically in that we have taken data from the relational database and have put that data in a staging table, and from that staging table the data goes to the data warehouse. After the ETL has been done, we have analyzed the data warehouse and created a cube, and we have created a pivot table in an Excel sheet. We'll be showing you a demo of that. The stakeholders that are involved in this project are currently enrolled students. So those are the major stakeholders that are involved in the system. The students have to waitlist their courses and the classes. The other major stakeholder is the student organization. In this case, it's iSchool. The various iSchool departments are involved in that, and Syracuse University is basically an external stakeholder in this project. There are various other external stakeholders like the IT services office, the student services office, and many other. Also, various faculty members are also involved in this project, but it's not in the scope right now because we didn't have any data related to the faculty members. The problems that we are trying to solve in this project is the current relational database system. The data is not stored properly, it's not well structured, and it lacks a good detail of normalization. This makes the analysis, selection, search, and retrieval of data a costly affair, and it also takes a longer time. In addition to that, any harm to the data will result in inconsistencies, which will be hard to trace and correct. Lastly, there are several rows of data which contain null or other inconsistent data or dirty data, which may be required some cleaning that we will be doing in the ETL process. And since the data is present in a single table, there are no obvious referential integrities. And then when you go to analyze the data on how you relate the students to the courses, to the academic terms, since this relation is missing, it's very difficult to analyze the data. And basically our OLAP cube will be doing this for us in a simple and an efficient way. My friend Karthik here will take you through the dimension modeling process.